Pulling apart a 6.9. One more yank. There it goes. And that's how you pull a front end out of an ecoline van.
You know that wasn't even meant to come off?
I don't care.
Okay, we broke the AC line.
Oh shit.
Completely broke that. Completely severed that.
You don't need AC anyway.
No, I was worried about that.
Oh,
That's all I was worried about. That broke off. That's gravy. All I need is AC. Yeah, that broke. Cool. Look at this van.
Well, it's really wide open now, guys. I really like what you do to the place.
I know. It's on the back of my trailer.
As one of our buddies would say, you know, Chevy's the forward recovery team. I'm pretty sure Dodge is the forward destruction team. And we are out. Front end disassembled.